Hey guys, I'm back at it again. Just when I thought typewriters were a thing of the past, I keep stumbling upon them in the most unexpected places. Last week it was at the Adamawa State Civil Service. This time I found one at the College of Education in Hong local government area of Adamawa State. During my visit, I met Lucy Shalangwa, a dedicated staff member in the Deputy Provost's office. She's been serving for 30 years, and yes, she still types efficiently on a fully functional typewriter.
So sometimes I will use this the computer system. Sometimes I will use typewriter. But for typewriter, I'm using it for record of service, retirement, this thing, retirement, is it? Retirement
Sheet.
It's
only for those that will retire.
Retire, yes.
Okay. Yeah. This journey of discovering working typewriters just keeps getting more fascinating. Yes, it does. What are your thoughts? Hit that like button, share with friends, and drop a comment below. Thank you.